Brian, the Automan here. Hey, today we're talking about one of my favorite services on a vehicle. It should be done yearly if you drive 15 to 20,000 miles, and that's a fuel induction service. Now, I'll tell you why it's my favorite, because when you do this service for somebody, the next time they get in their vehicle, they are so happy with the way it runs. It makes such a difference by removing the excess carbon. So let's talk about this real quick. There's a couple parts to this. One is cleaning such as the throttle bodies and removing all the excess carbon inside. These aren't too bad, but they do start to build up. I've seen them where they're caked and the valves stick open that bad. The other part of it is actually cleaning the injectors and keeping the pentals clean on them and removing all the carbon excess fuel deposits. Fuel's not so great these days, out of them. That's another great thing. And the other one is moving the carbon off the valves, which we're having a bigger problem with direct injected vehicles these days. Carbon builds up on the valves, it robs the fuel mileage, robs the performance, can cause misfires. So this service is very inexpensive compared to having to pull an intake off and remove carbon off valves. So if your car is, no matter direct injected or not, once a year fuel induction service by BG, best way to do it. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.